Hello everyone, this is Alma, and she's going to give us a little bit about her personal testimony. So tell us, how did you first hear about Abundant Life Chiropractic?
One of the members here told me about it, and I decided to come and check it out.
Okay. Alright, so tell us a little bit about how you were before you came to Abundant Life Chiropractic.
Well, when I first came, I had a cane, and I was hardly able to walk. I was going to be on my way to being paralyzed. But since I've been here, I started shuffling. I put my cane down, started shuffling, and now I'm able to take steps and actually walking. And so I'm just proud to be here.
Yeah. So how have you been healing since you've been getting your adjustments?
A lot better. I've gotten off of my anti-inflammatory tablets and taking Codalibol for that, for the anti-inflammatory, and I've been healing very well.
Good. All right, so what would you tell someone that doesn't know anything about corrective care chiropractic?
I think they should try it. Come on in and try it. I wish everybody that I knew that had problems could have, come in and just try this and just once or twice, and then they'll get hooked on it.
All right. Well, thank you, Alma.